Hello, in this video we will understand IPv6 address structure. So guys, IPv6 address is 128-bit long address. And instead of writing this big address in binary, we represent this address in hexadecimal. So we know hexadecimal values will range from 0 to F. So in my example, I am showing you a IPv6 address here. So in total, I will call this particular thing which I am marking here a block. So there are how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In total we have 8 blocks. You can also call them fields. So in a IPv6 address, there will be 8 blocks or 8 fields. In each field, we will be having 16 bits. So if you do the mathematics, 16 into 8 is 128. Next thing, we represent these 16 bits in form of hexadecimal. So if you remember, 4-bit means 1 hexadecimal value. If in total we have 16 bits, we will have 4 hexadecimal value. It means in every block, you will have 4 hexadecimal values. And in a similar way, you will be having how many blocks? 8 blocks. So when I convert this address here, so this is the binary representation of an address, and when you convert it back to hexadecimal, so how I am converting? Let me tell you. So if you remember, it was block number 1. So take 4 bits. Just take 4 bits because one block is combination of 4 hexadecimal value. In total, we have 16 bits in one block. So just concentrate on first 4 bits, convert it to hexadecimal, value will be 2. Next 4 bits, all are 0, value will be 0. Next 4 bits, all are 0, value will be 0. Last 4 bits, 0, 0, 0, 1, so value will be 1. So in first block of IPv6 address, value will be 2001. Each block is separated by a colon. Colon is this side. So I can write it like this, 2001 colon. So each block is separated by a colon. Now, let me show you the previous slide. Now we can see this address which we have converted. So this is a very big address, like you can see. So let me count the blocks again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In every block there are 16 bits, means 4 hex values. So guys, this address is, you can see, a big address. So to reduce the length of the address, we have some rules which we follow in case of IPv6. So now we will look at the rules. Now, first rule is discard leading zeros. So if you see this address, if you see first, second, third, fourth, if you see fifth block, so there are 2 zeros before 63. So we can discard these zeros. There is no need to write these zeros in the address, because if you will not write anything, device will assume them as 0. So first rule is you can discard leading zeros in the addresses. Second example is, like here I have 4 zeros. So instead of writing 4 hexadecimal zeros, you can write a single 0. So you can write this address like 2001 colon 0 colon 3238. colon DFE1 colon 63. So you can see I gave you two examples how we are discarding leading zeros. Next I can write it as like again 0, again 0. See, two blocks are 0, and in last block we have FEFB. So we can write this address like this. Now we have one more rule. That rule is, if more than one block of consecutive zeros are there, we can replace those blocks with double colon. So let me go back to the address. This was the address. So let's say these two blocks are consecutive blocks which have all the values 0. So you can write this address now as 2001 colon 0. So here I am using rule number 1. I am discarding the all leading zeros. Next 3238. Next DFE1. Next column value will be 63. 00 will be discarded. And instead of these two blocks, I will write double colon. And after that, the last block FEFB. So this double block simply means that all the values in these blocks are 0. So if I want to count how many blocks are these, so how I will count? Before this double colon, how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this double colon, how many blocks are there? 1. It means in between two blocks are all 0. So there are two ways to shorten your address. First, you can discard leading zeros. Second, if you have consecutive blocks in which all values are zeros, you can replace them with a double colon. Now guys, we have a restriction also. Now what is that restriction? Restriction is we can use double colon only once in a single IPv6 address. So guys, in this video we have understood the structure of IPv6 address and how you can shorten it. Thank you.